Hi, I used faceted glass and silver-colored wire to make the pendant. Use appropriate wire thickness. I make jewelry of copper wire 1 mm, 18 Ga, and 0.4 mm, 26 Ga, thick. We do not need a lot of tools. To create a copper wire wrapped pendants with your own hands, a small inexpensive set of hand tools is enough, which can be purchased at an online store. Jewelry making is such a great hobby, but it can be difficult to understand where to start. For beginners, it can be a daunting task when it comes to buying tools, wires, stones, and learning new techniques. But don't worry, you can check out my jewelry making tutorials for tons of tips and projects to try. Useful links in the video description, below the video.